Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling this shirt in a nice way. We're going to style it with the shirt, tank top, and again with the jumper in a nice way. If you have this kind of shirt, you can style it the way I'm going to style them because they're going to look really cool on me. So if you then look cool on me, definitely they're going to look really nice on you as well. So my lovely people, my nicest people, you guys can see the way the first outfit look. I like it, the way he look with the shirt. Nice, very cool as well. You can style it the way I'm styling right now. Very nice. If you have any shirt that you can put it together, then you put white socks on, then you put the shorts as well. I like it. I'm getting excited because the color is just nicer, and the way the shoe make everything look cool together, very chill. And the weather is getting nicer, it's getting better. So you need to be a bit more loose, more free, more stylish as well. You can still be cool in a different way. You see how I look on me? Again, don't forget to press it with the iron, because when I got it from, when I ordered them, when I got them from the shop, or when I get the order, so I don't have to wear it like that. So that's what I'm telling you guys. You need to iron it, because when you iron it, you can see the vibe. I'm getting excited already. I don't know, maybe the vibe or the color or the way he look on me. I'm just getting excited. And if I'm getting excited like this, the vibe is there, and I'm passing the good vibe to you guys, so you can do the same way as well. Don't forget, you need to put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, your bracelet, you need to put it on, and again your necklace, you need to put it on. Adjust your hair, spray your hair, do all kind of nice stuff you like to do to your hair. It's gonna be nice. Honestly, you can see the way it look on me right now. I like this vibe. Amazing, amazing. You see the way I put the color together, very nice. If you have short like this same color, you can style it the way I'm styling. And again, if you don't even have the same color, you have shirts in your wardrobe, right? And you have shorts in your wardrobe, you have trainer, right? Put on the way I put them together and put socks on. You look cool, you're nicer. Put your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, your necklace, put it on. And don't forget to put your roll on, the one that you know you like, the one smell nice. You know what I mean? It's gonna looking really nice. You can see I can go anywhere I want to go like this. I'm very cool, I'm very stylish, and you're gonna be the same way as well. So just try it. I'm checking if anything wrong, anything I want to talk about. I don't say anything because the jogger is just nice and it look cool together. If I come closer, guys, you can see how I look cool me. Very nice, very stylish as well. You can do the same way. Just follow the color I put on, follow the way I put them together. If you can find it, find it. Then if you have it in your wardrobe already, style it the way I'm styling right now, and you're gonna be looking cool as well. Don't forget, you need your sunglasses. You definitely need your sunglasses, and don't forget, always clean your sunglasses as well, because sometimes always some days of dust on it, so you just wipe it and you're gonna be fine. So when you do that, just put your sunglasses on, you're gonna be cool. Nice. Let me see how I look cool. Let me check. Yeah, it does look cool. I like the vibe. Different, right? So don't button. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the top. Don't button it. So leave it. And the last one, unbutton. Just the two at the middle. You button it. Everything is gonna be cool. You're gonna be seeing like you're looking stylish, you're looking vibing, and I like it already. So you're gonna like it as well. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. With the tank top, I kind of like it, kind of different, kind of nicer. I like the way it looks, very stylish as well, very cool. You can see the way I put them together, very nice, very cool on me. It's gonna looking really cool on you as well. If you have tank top, put it on, you're gonna looking nice. The vibe is there. Look, you can see the color. I put the black with the print in front of it as well. Put it on. If you don't have the similar black tank top, you can style it this way, because you can see how look cool I am. Just do it. It's gonna be nice on you, honestly. I like this. Amazing, amazing. The vibe is there. I'm feeling the vibe. Everything just cool. The weather is nice. You're getting chill, relaxed. You're looking cool, looking great. Everything just amazing on me, and it's gonna looking really cool on you as well. If you want to do it, just put your sunglasses on, put it on. You're gonna be fine. When I put it on, you can see the different vibe. Everything just cool, just nicer. I'm feeling chill, I'm feeling relaxed as well. You're gonna be the same way as well. If If you do what I'm doing right now, I put tank top on, you can see very nice on me. And again, I put shorts on, very cool. Put trainers on, and I put socks on as well. If you don't have the same color, you have what you got in your wardrobe, what you can afford. Just do it the way I'm putting. It doesn't mean to be exactly what I put on. If you can't get it, if you don't know how to get it, the one you know you can get, the one you have in your wardrobe right there, styling like this, you're gonna be amazing. You're gonna be cool. Then again, if you go to the shop, you see this kind of outfit that I put on, this tank top or shorts, you can try it on and get it. Then you can come and style it by the way I'm putting on right now, because I am feeling the vibe and look at me. Because when I get out, I'm gonna get a compliment, and you're gonna be getting compliment as well. So your outfit speak before you do. Because if I step out, people will know. Cool, I'm dapper. I got great fashion sense, and they can see on YouTube if you do the same way, the way I'm doing like that. Because I'm giving you that confidence to look cool. Because if you look cool, it's my happiness. Because I want you to look cool. No matter what you are, you're gonna be cool. Same way I'm looking right now, because the vibe is there. Amazing, amazing. What sunglasses you have? The one you know you can fit your face properly. The one you can see in the mirror. Like, I think these sunglasses look cool on me. That's one you get. And if you get that, you're gonna be looking amazing. You're gonna. I like the vibe. Honestly, I'm enjoying the way everything look. I'm trying to see, is anything wrong? Nothing wrong. Everything just fine, chill, cool, amazing, amazing. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yes, I know. And if you think about anything you want to talk about, go to the comment section, let me know, because I like the vibe. You might not like it, but let me know your mind. I want to know what you're thinking about this outfit, because I'm cool right now. I like it. And if you try the same way, you're going to be cool. And if I cool, you're going to be cool anyway. So my nicest, my coolest, let's move on to the next. The last one. You guys can see the way the jumper feels very nice. I like the way the color look. Very cool color, very calm as well. The jumper is it's a vintage jumper as well. Let's say hair can come in, hair can come out. You feel free. Like evening time, you want to go on the day, you want to go and chill, you can pull this on. You're getting cool. You're not getting too hot. You're not getting too cold as well. You just kind of cool. Nice as well. The vibe is there. I like it. The way the color, amazing, amazing. Everything just cool. Does it not look cool? I like it. I like the way I pull everything together. And if you do the same way, you're gonna be looking really cool. If you do the same, you're gonna be amazing. Just try it, then you will see. I bet you if you style it the way I'm styling right now, people will give you a compliment. Because when I step out, I get a compliment, because they can tell your outfit speak before you even said anything. So why not try what I'm trying right now? I'm trying to be chill and cool. Same way I'm cooling right now, I'm chilling, because the vibe is there. And if it's there, you're gonna be having same vibe as well. If you try, you can get the same color and style it this way, and you're gonna be nicer. Make sure you put your bracelets, your ring, your wristwatch as well, and your necklace. Put it on. You're gonna see how the outfit is gonna come out in a very nice way, in a very chill vibe as well. I like the case with trainers as well. Very nice. I don't wear often, because I don't know how it's gonna look cool. But I think about it, I think this way is gonna look really nice. Then I try it and it look cool. You know why? because of you guys. I want you guys to look cool. If you have similar like that, wearing with the shorts, it's all gonna be looking really cool. You can see how it look. If I come closer, you can see they're very nice as well. Very cool, very sporty as well. You can go anywhere you want to go. Like, you feel relaxed, you feel chill. You're not feeling like you put trainers on or anything on. You just feel like you're cool, you're chilling. And that's how I want you to look cool on you. That's why I put it on. Because if I look cool like this, you're going to be looking cool. If you do the same way though, and don't forget to press your shorts again, to remind you to press your shorts with the iron. Because if you get from the shop of the holder, it might be rough to press it with the iron. You're going to see how the outfit is going to come out. You're going to be surprised. But when you open it from the bag or you get from, you won't like it when you put it on. Or some people put it on like that, and the outfit won't come out. They won't see the outfit more, because it won't give you all kind of details you want to see. But if you get time, just 5 minutes, just press it with the iron, you're going to be seeing how the outfit is going to come out. I like this, the color. everything nicer. The way it feel me, and the jumper very loose jumper as well. I at first iron the jumper, but time I hang it when I put it on hanger, it doesn't need to be ironing again because the crease doesn't there anymore. So I just like, okay. But if you think about you can, or you can just fold it, you don't want to put on hanger, you can just fold it, then it's still safe as well. You don't need to iron it again. Or if you see like it's kind of big crease, just press it with the iron. It's gonna get the job done. I like the vibe. The weather is just nice. I'm enjoying the vibe as well. So let me put these sunglasses on. It's gonna make the difference. Honestly, let me see. Does it look cool? You guys gonna let me know? Yeah, it does. You can see how the color combination. You guys see how it look? The sunglasses, look, there's a gold, there's a green, and it's a little cool together with the black as well. So it look cool together with the outfit. You see how the color combination. That's what I'm telling you guys. You need to come back for more, because it's going to be styling too. It's going to be hacking, it's going to be wearing different idea, different wearing. So I'm showing you guys because I want you to have that kind of confidence. So when you put them together, you can just do it, and you get out, people will be giving you compliment because people will know you have great fashion sense. So you need to come back for more. All going to be benefit for you, because I want you to look cool. I want you to get compliment when you step out. I want people to give you more smile and give you compliment. So in case you're going out, you go on a date, you go anywhere, you can feel more relaxed, for cool, because people can feel. They can feel your energy because your outfit you speak before you do. And if you look cool, everything around you is gonna be cool, amazing as well. So I like the way he look. So I don't know which one you like, the first one, the second one. Go to the comment section, drop it, I'll be glad. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you amazing, nice, cool people another day. Take care.